Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're solving five linear equations, starting with some very simple ones, and then we'll gradually get to the more difficult ones. Now, example one here, we have 4x plus 7 is equal to 31. Now, the goal is to get x by itself. First, we have to remove the 7, then we're going to divide by 4. We're going to remove the 7 by subtracting, so we're going to be doing the opposite operation. Because the 7 was positive here, we're going to subtract by 7 on both sides. Now, when we subtract, if we have 7 and we take 7, that will give us 0. So we're going to end up with 4x is equal to, when we take 7 from 31, we will get 24. Now, because the 4 and the x, they're being multiplied, we're going to also do the opposite operation, which is divide by 4 on both sides to keep it balanced. 4 into 4 goes 1. 4 into 24 goes 6 times. So therefore, in this case, we now have x by itself, and x would be equal to 6. Now let's look at example 2. We have 5x minus 8 is equal to 22. Now, since 8 is being subtracted, we're going to add 8 to both sides to undo it. So we're going to have 5x minus 8 plus 8 is equal to 22 plus 8. Next, we're going to be left with 5x is equal to 30. Now, because the 5 and the x are being multiplied, we're going to do the opposite, which is divide by 5. 5 into 5 goes 1, and 5 into 30 goes 6. So therefore, x in this case is also 6. Example 3, and don't be afraid to pause the video and attempt the questions before I do, and then you can compare your answers afterwards. Now, example 3, we have 3x plus 12 is equal to 39. Now, we always have to do the opposite operation. So we're going to remove the constant first, which is the 12. So we're going to have 3x plus 12 minus 12 is equal to 39 minus 12. Now, that will be gone. So we have 3x right now is equal to 27. Now, to get rid of the 3 beside of the x, we have to divide both sides by 3. 3 into 3 goes 1, and 3 into 27 goes 9. So therefore, x is now equal to 9. Now, example 4 looks a bit different. The question involves brackets. Now, before solving, we must expand the brackets by multiplying 2 by every term inside the bracket. So we're going to use distributive law. And we're going to say 2 times x, or 2 by x, gives us 2x. And 2 by 5 gives us 10. And all of that is still equal to 24. Now, we still have to get, the aim is to get x by itself. So we're going to have 2x plus 10 minus 10 is equal to 24 minus 10. Now, this would be gone. So we're left with 2x is equal to 14. We're now going to divide through by 2. 2 into 2 goes 1. And 2 into 14 goes 7. So therefore, in this case, x is equal to 7.